There, if you come in there.
Can you pull your wheel?
Can we turn a little bit more? There's a little bit more. In a sec.
We'll go over here.
Yeah, you should be able to swing your ass in over.
It'll come right over now, yeah.
Yeah.
Watch that front corner, it doesn't come
Let's turn
around.
the wheels back. That's right, maybe. Can we come back a little bit?
You can, yep.
Back and forth.
We'll just cut the
Put
wheels.
jack under it.
Cut the wheels hard that way. Let's go back a little bit.
You don't have very much room.
You'll get her if you
In foot, he said.
give her a sharp cut and she'll come back.
Okay? Yeah, bring her back. Excellent.
Okay. Let's bring her hard forward this way.
Bring her back again. Okay, you want to put the jack under it? And
We'll just go back again.
Give her another cut. She'll come right around now. She'll come right around now when she comes back. There. Bring her right back.
that's good.
There you go.
All right. Probably.
Yeah.
Exactly how we do. All right. Good.
Now we should take the go jacks out of it because they.
Put some air in those tires.
Are they down?
What if we took it out a little bit? Would them things slow it down from rolling, you think?
Well, they will eventually. They'll fetch up somewhere.
Well, why don't we let it, maybe, you want to let it out a little bit with them on?
Oh, we can. Yep.
We'll just go straight out a little bit because it's got to come out the door, obviously. I can't get the...
Once he goes over that, she's going to take off.
Put your foot under it. I'm going to get a tire and put it underneath it. How's that? Shouldn't take off. It might go up on it.
That'll work.
Yeah. Look at that now, would you? Nice piece of angle iron. Not
Heavy
iron,
too.
angle aluminum. Isn't it?
That'll work.
Well, that thing seems to be in quite the shape.
That is in good shape.
I got a light on there. Look at that now, would you? Hope that doesn't drain our battery dead.
Got lots of air in your tires?
Yeah, they're actually holding pretty good.
Not 100% slow her down. I'm gonna try to push it
I wouldn't mind just
There.
bringing it
Pushing
down
it out
yeah,
right. Yeah.
if we can. So that's out now?
Yep.
We should be able to hold it back.